You bought a 100 megabit internet plan, but when you download a file, it shows only 12 megabytes per second. So you may think, is my internet slow? Actually, no. The problem is the letters, small b and capital B.
Mbps means megabits per second. This is used to measure internet speed. Your internet company usually shows speed in Mbps. Mbps means megabytes per second. This is used to measure file download speed. For example, when you download a video, game, app, or software.
The difference is very simple. Small b means bit. Capital B means byte. And here is the most important part. 1 byte equals 8 bits. That is why download speed looks smaller than internet speed. Let's take a simple example. If your internet plan is 100 megabits per second, you divide it by 8. 100 divided by 8 equals 12.5. So a 100 megabit internet connection can give around 12.5 megabytes per second download speed. But remember, this is the best possible speed. Your real download speed can be lower because of Wi-Fi signal, server speed, your device, many people using the internet, or network traffic. So if you have 100 megabits per second internet, you may not always get exactly 12.5 megabytes per second, but that is the correct idea. Here is the easiest way to remember it. Mbps with small b is for internet speed. Mbps with capital B is for file download speed. Small b is smaller. Capital B is bigger. And always remember, download speed equals internet speed divided by 8. So next time your internet plan says 100 megabits per second, do not expect 100 megabytes per second download speed. The real download speed is around 12.5 megabytes per second. It is not a scam. It is just a different unit. If this helped you, save this video so you can check it again later.